In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out in Smartsheet. First, go ahead and open your Smartsheet project sheet in your browser. Make sure you're signed in and that the sheet is fully loaded so everything on the page is visible. We'll start in the standard grid view where you can see your rows, columns, and project details laid out in a spreadsheet format. Now let's talk about zooming using your keyboard and mouse. Move your mouse over the main sheet area so your cursor is inside the grid. On your keyboard, hold down the Control key if you're on Windows, or the Command key if you're on a Mac. While holding that key, scroll your mouse wheel up to zoom in or scroll down to zoom out. As you do this, you'll see the entire Smartsheet interface getting larger or smaller, including your rows, columns, and text. This uses your browser's zoom, but it's usually the fastest and easiest way to adjust what you see. A helpful tip here is to find a specific row to use as a reference. For example, click on a row like Approval from Finance or any task in your sheet. Once that row is selected, use the same shortcut, Control or Command plus Scroll, to zoom until that row's details are comfortable to read. This makes it easier to fine-tune the zoom level based on what you're actually working on. You can also click into a particular cell to keep your focus while you zoom. Select any highlighted cell you need to work in, then adjust the zoom. The content might wrap or display differently as you zoom, so choose a level where you can see the key information without too much horizontal scrolling. Next, let's switch between different views, because zooming feels a bit different depending on where you are. At the top of the sheet, click on the Grid View tab to stay in the spreadsheet layout, or click on the Gantt View tab to see your tasks on a timeline. When you're in Gantt View, the same Control or Command plus Scroll shortcut will still zoom the page, but it's especially useful here because it changes how much of your timeline you can see at once. Again, click on a specific task in the Gantt view, such as a budget-related task, and adjust the zoom until the bars, dates, and labels are easy to read. Use this combination of selecting items and zooming in or out to quickly move between a high-level overview and a detailed look at your project. And that's how you zoom in and out in Smartsheet to make your projects easier to read and manage.